Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civillogy, the study of civil engineering. Today in this video we are going to discuss all about green concrete. As we know that construction industry is one of the largest consumers of natural resources and also a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. To address these challenges, engineers have developed green concrete, a type of concrete that is eco-friendly and sustainable. So guys, green concrete. What is green concrete? So these are few questions which pop up in our mind when we listen or read about green concrete, that what makes it green? Is it really green? Why the need for green concrete? What are the benefits and uses of green concrete? What are its applications and limitations? So guys, we will dive deep to dig out and try to answer these questions one by one. But before we start our today's topic, if you are new to my channel, you are requested to please subscribe to it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. So let's get started. So here is the first question which pop up in our mind, that what is green concrete? So, green concrete can be defined as it is a type of concrete that is made of using waste materials such as glass, plastic, paper, rubber, and fly ash, clay as one of its components, or it can also be defined as the type of concrete which uses supplementary cementitious materials such as fly ash, silica flume, or slag, which reduces the amount of cement required. So basically concrete is made up of three basic components. The first one is fine, the second one is coarse, and the third one is cement. I mean fine and coarse aggregates. Then there come cement. Cement is the major component which contribute to the carbon emission into the environment. So cement is the focus point. Okay, so the carbon dioxide produced for the manufacture of structural concrete using 14% cement is estimated at 410 kg per cubic meters, which have reduced to 290 kg per cubic meter with 30% fly ash replacement of cement. So what we will do to make a green concrete is to replace the cement, which is the major cause of carbon emission. Okay, as you guys can see over here, here is the study which shows that it has reduced to 290 kg per cubic meter from 410 kg per cubic meters by using 30% fly ash. It's mean that you have reduced the weight of cement by 30%. As a result, the carbon emission has also reduced. Now, the second question which arises in our mind is why it is called green concrete. Unlike traditional concrete, which is highly energy intensive and emits large amounts of carbon dioxide, green concrete reduces environmental impact by reusing industrial byproducts and supplementary cementitious materials such as fly ash, slag, silica flume, or recycled aggregates. This leads to a decrease in carbon dioxide emissions, energy consumption, and natural resource depletion. The fourth question, why the need for green concrete? The construction sector contributes nearly 8 to 10% of global carbon dioxide emission. With rapid urbanization, this figure is increasing every year. Green concrete helps us reduce this environmental burden by lowering cement consumption and making use of materials that would otherwise go to waste. What are the benefits of green concrete? It reduces carbon footprint. Green concrete reduces the amount of cement used, which is major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. The second benefit is conservation of natural resources. By using industrial byproducts as SCMS, supplementary cementitious materials, we can conserve natural resources and reduce waste. The third but not the least benefit of green concrete is that it has improved durability. Green concrete has been shown to have improved durability and resistance to degradation. Green concrete can be more cost effective than traditional concrete due to the reduced amount of cement used, as cement is the one of the costliest constituent of the concrete. The next question is, what are the applications of green concrete? Where do we use green concrete? So the answer is, it can be used in building constructions. Green concrete can be used in building foundations, walls and floors. The second application is infrastructure projects such as construction of bridges and other infrastructure projects. The third application is sustainability. Green concrete is an essential component of sustainable building design. Now let's answer the question that what makes it green. Okay, so up to now, I think you have understood the meaning of green. It doesn't really mean the color green, okay? It's mean that the use of reusable, recycled material. So the concrete which uses recycled or reusable material or the factory or industry waste is called as green concrete. So what are the materials which make it really green? The first one is fly ash, which is obtained from thermal power plants. The second is GGBS, ground granulated blast furnace slag, which is obtained from furnace slag during the manufacturing of cement. The third one is recycled concrete aggregates. As you can see over here, the debris of the material are being crushed to be used as recycled in concrete as an aggregate. Okay. The fourth one is silica flume. The production of elemental silicon or alloys containing silicon in electric arc furnaces. The fifth green material is rice husk ash, RHA, generally referred to an agricultural byproduct of burning husk under controlled temperature of below 800 degrees centigrade. Rice husks are now being used for manufacturing of concrete blocks, and the other material could be quarry dust and waste glass powder. Though green concrete is a game changer in the construction industry, by adopting green concrete we can reduce our environmental footprints, conserve natural resources and create more sustainable buildings. But it do have few limitations, such as initial research and testing costs are high, lack of awareness and technical knowledge, sometimes slower strength gain compared to conventional concrete, lack of awareness among builders, variation in waste material properties, limited research in developing countries. But with more innovation, these limitations can be overcome. So guys, that was all about green concrete. So for the topics related to civil engineering, you are requested to please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. That's all for today.